Okay, we're going to do a quick demonstration of the QuickAlerts user management tool. This is our Tradingview tab here, and then this is a spreadsheet we built specifically for the tool to work with. On this tab, we have a list of users. These users can be granted access to the tool when you put in a username, a start date and end date, and a group that they belong to. You'll know if they're active or not by the green 1 or gray 0 that appears. To start with, we need to put our scripts into here. So we'll go into Tradingview and open up the Manage User Scripts tool. I've currently got one user who has access to all of my scripts. So I'll do Export Settings, and I'll just grab the scripts and copy those and paste them into the spreadsheet on the scripts page. From here, we can now go back and look at our users, manage any of them if we want. If a user doesn't have an end date, then they will be always active after it's past the start date. If the start date hasn't happened yet, then they can't be active. And then we can give them access to different groups by just adding the group names in this column as a comma-separated list. After we've decided who needs access to what, just by setting 1s and 0s here, 1 for give access, 0 for deny access, then we can go to the output and just copy this into the tool on Tradingview. Also to start, we can show this is my script testing 234. If we look at who has access, there's one user. So we'll now go over here, click done, and do import, paste. Okay, so now we've got, looks like 38 user access points lined up. So we'll start updates. Should run pretty quickly. It does about 3 updates per second. Okay, some users were invalid. If we have invalid users, it's because their name was typed wrong into the spreadsheet. The access management tool can find similar usernames in Tradingview, and if it finds one, it'll add them instead. So this is telling you to update their usernames from capital G to lowercase g in this case, and so on. In some other cases, there are people it can't find at all, like this BR2D, that doesn't exist. Okay, so if we go back and we look at the list of who has access, we see that there's now 12 users instead of just the 1. And that is a quick demonstration. Let's go ahead and turn access off for everybody. And we're done.